Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn mathematics by understanding concepts of mathematics. Today's concept is regarding number system. In mathematics we are using different kinds of numbers and different operations we are performing on that numbers. So let's learn about types of numbers. So first type of number is natural numbers. What is the meaning of natural numbers? Natural numbers are the numbers which we are using for counting. If I want to count this page, then I will count as 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means 4 pens are in my hand. As you observed, counting always starts from 1. So natural numbers are the counting numbers. So natural numbers also starts from 1. For indicating natural numbers, we are using capital letter N. Group of natural numbers we are showing as N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. That as so on indicates that natural numbers are uncountable. For showing this uncountability in mathematics we are using sign infinity. So but infinity doesn't have any particular value. Infinity is the sign of uncountability. So n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So smallest natural number is a 1. What about the greatest natural number? Greatest natural number we can't say which is the greatest natural number because there are infinitely many natural numbers. This is about the natural numbers. So which is the next type of number? Next type of number is a whole numbers. So what is the meaning of whole numbers? So whole numbers are the combination of 0 and all natural numbers. That is mean what? When we are adding 0 in a natural number, that all numbers together called as a whole numbers. So for indicating whole numbers, we are using W, and W is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. That again and so on indicates that whole numbers are also infinitely many. So smallest whole number is a 0. And what about the greatest whole number? Then again greatest whole number we can't say about the greatest whole number, that are infinitely many or uncountable whole numbers are there. So next type of number is integers. What is the meaning of integers? Integers are the numbers in which natural numbers, 0 and negative of natural numbers are included. Group of integers indicated by Z. Z is equals to 0. At the right side of 0 we are writing positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and at left side of 0 we are writing -1, -2, -3 and -4 and so on. That is mean what? 0, natural numbers and negative of natural numbers all together called as a integers. Now if you observe, 0 doesn't have any sign, that is mean 0 neither positive nor negative, and all numbers which are right side of a 0, that all are positive, that are called as a positive integers, and all left side numbers that are negative, that are called as a negative integers. Now if we are thinking about smallest integer or smallest positive integer, greatest positive integer, now smallest positive integer is a 1 and greatest positive integer, then again we can't say that because there are infinitely many positive integers. What about the negative integers? Which is the greatest negative integer? See, if you observe this, every number which is right side of a previous number, that right side number is always greater than left side number. Right sided number is always greater than left sided number, as 3 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1, 1 is greater than 0. That is mean all positive numbers are greater than 0, all positive numbers are greater than all negative numbers. 0 is always greater than all negative numbers. Now see, -1 is at right side of -2, so -1 is greater than -2, -1 is greater than -3, -2 is greater than -4, -1 is greater than every negative integer. So greatest negative integer is a -1, and smallest negative integer that we can't say because there are infinitely many negative integers are also there. So for that uncountability, as I said, we are using sign infinity. So we can say that greatest positive integer is infinity and smallest negative integer is a -infinity. Now next type of number is a rational numbers. Now what is the meaning of rational numbers? Rational numbers are the numbers we can write in the form of p by q, where p and q are any integers and q is not equal to 0. This is a most important condition when q is not equal to 0. For example, 7 by 8. Now see, 7 by 8 we are writing in the form of p and q. P's value is 7, q's value is 8 and q is not equal to 0. That is when denominator cannot be 0. So q is equals to 8. So 7 by 8 is a rational number. Similarly, minus 2 by 3 is a rational number, 4 by 9 is a rational number. But if we are writing 3 by 0, now denominator is 0, that is mean q's value is 0. So 3 by 0 is not a rational number. But what about the 0? Now 0 is rational or any other type of number. So 0, if we can say 0, we can write with any denominator as 0 by 7, 0 by 8, 0 by 10, 0 by 1000, 0 by 2000, like this. So 0 is a rational number, as we can write any number as a denominator to the 0. So 0 is a rational number. So last type of a number is a irrational number. So what is the meaning of irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are the numbers which are not a rational. For example, irrational numbers are root 2, root 5, root 11, root 15, root 24, like this. That is mean square roots of all numbers which are not a perfect square. Now what is the meaning of perfect square? So perfect squares are the 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 25 square is 625. These all numbers are perfect squares. Roots of all numbers which are not a perfect square, that all square roots are a irrational number, and pi is also irrational. Now pi's value we are taking as 22 by 7, but 22 by 7, that value is approximate value. That for making calculations easy, we are taking pi's value as 22 by 7, but actually pi's value is not a 22 by 7, that is approximate value. So pi is also a irrational number. That's all for today.